Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your own voice in Suno AI music generator. Suno AI is great for making songs, but the vocals can sound kind of generic. There's no way to directly change them to your voice inside Suno, but there are a couple ways around it. If you can sing, just download the instrumental from Suno, open it in any music software and record yourself singing over it. This gives the best quality and sounds natural. If you're not a singer, you can use a tool like kits.ai. You upload some clips of your voice, it trains a model, and then you can make the Suno vocals sound more like your own voice. That's it. Suno is really useful for making demos and ideas, and with these methods, you can make them feel more personal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.